There you go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, again, all of those are positive or negative. I'm going to save a little bit of time by not writing it out until the next part. And what are the factors of 3?
1 and 3.
1 and 3, right? 1 and 3. So again, all plus or minus here. Now we have to do the combos. Okay, so starts off pretty easy. 1 over 1. Right, plus or minus 1 over 1. 2 over 1. 3 over 1. 4 over 1. 6 over 1. And 12 over 1. And then we got to do everything over 3. Okay, 1 over 3. 2 over 3. All right, what's 3 over 3? 1, right? We already have that. 1 over 1 is 1. So we can skip that one. Sometimes they'll repeat. So 4 over 3. And then what's 6 over 3?
2.
2. We already have that, so we can skip that one. And what's 12 over 3? 4, right? We already have that one, so we can skip that one. So here's all our possibilities, okay? Quite a lot whenever it's not just, when there's not just a 1 on the bottom, or when the numbers start getting big, okay? This one is pretty complicated, but I'm obligated to show you how big and complicated these problems are, and also how we can solve them even if they are big and complicated. Okay, so there's our possibilities. Also, luckily for y'all, I have already done this problem, so I can help guide you in the right direction. So we're not going to just try every single number, okay? Remember we said we want to do synthetic division using the numbers here. So we'll do 3, -2, -37, 24, 12. And what number did I say I would start with? 1. Okay, I would always try 1 just because it's easy. It's positive. It's a really easy number to multiply by. Okay, it could be any of these. It could be fractions. Those would be kind of complicated to try to plug in and multiply and then add and everything. That would get a little crazy. Okay, so I'm going to bring down the 3. Why don't y'all do synthetic division on this one on your own? Okay, with the 1. Bring the 3 down. Okay, y'all tell me if 1 worked.
You got it, boss.
Oh, I like that.
Cool. You cell phone.
Did you do it? Did it work?
No.
What? Yes, it did.
Yes, it did.
All right, it did. Right? You should get 3, 1, -36, -12, 0. Right? So 1 is one of our zeros. Okay, so luckily we started with that one. Okay, x equals 1 is one of our zeros. How many are we looking for?
4.
4, right? 4. Okay, so that's one of them. Okay, now, like I said, since I already know the answer to this one, I'm going to help guide us. Okay, another thing that we can do once we pare it down is now that we have 4 terms, we could factor by grouping. Okay, we weren't able to do that whenever there was 5 terms up here, but now we can. because we've got 3x cubed plus 1x squared minus 36x minus 12. Okay, and I'm going to say that because I know what the factors are, and we could be going for a long time if we want to keep trying synthetic division. Okay, so sometimes if you try a bunch and it doesn't work, try another method. Okay, go with something different. Okay, so this one we can factor like this. Okay, since we've got 4, we can put them in groups. Really, they're pairs, but that's called factoring by grouping. And what can we factor out of the first set of parentheses? We got 3x cubed and 1x squared. Right? X squared, right? These both have 2 x's that we can give up, so we can get an x squared. Okay, and that leaves me with 3x plus 1. Right, and then what about negative 36x and negative 12? Right, negative 12, good. Okay, since they're both negative, we'll take negative 12. Okay, and that leaves me with 3x plus 1. Okay, good. That's how you know it's worked. Okay, when what's left inside the parentheses is the same. Since we have 3x plus 1 in both parentheses, okay, then that means it worked. Okay, so we've got x squared minus 12 here. It's one of our factors. 3x plus 1 as our other factor. All right, now x squared minus 12. B is 0, right, if we did a times c. Right, but is this a difference of squares? Right, no, it's not. And Joel, you're right. How come? Why is it not a difference of squares? What's one of the key words? Is it a difference? Is this a difference? It's x minus 12, x squared minus 12. Is that a difference?
Yes.
Yes, it's subtracting. It is a difference.